Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can repost a story on Instagram. Alright guys, if you want to repost someone else's Instagram story, you have to be mentioned in someone else's Instagram story, and after you have been mentioned, you will get the notification on your Instagram direct message. So you can open your Instagram direct message right here on the top right corner of your screen, and this is the account who mentioned me in a story. So we can click on the account like this, and if you want to repost the story, we just need to click on add to your story. Okay, and hold on guys, it's still loading. Alright, and we can edit the story before we post to our Instagram. We can add tags, a sticker, or music, and you can also get the full screen by tapping on your story like this. Okay, and after that, you just need to click on your story to repost the story to your Instagram account. And now let's just check the result. So I'm going to go back to the Instagram homepage, and this is the story. So I'm going to tap on it. Okay, and this is the story that I have just reposted. Alright guys, and that's how we can repost the story on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.